Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful debt repayment strategy known as the Debt Avalanche Method. So, if you're dealing with multiple debts and looking for the most effective way to tackle them, this method might be the one you need. Not only can it save you money on interest, but it can also help you get out of debt faster. Now, you might have heard about the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first. The Debt Avalanche Method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This approach can significantly reduce the amount of interest you pay over time, making it a smart choice for those wanting to minimize costs and speed up their debt-free journey. So, how does it work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to list all your debts, including the outstanding balances, minimum monthly payments, and interest rates. Organize them from the highest interest rate to the lowest. This might seem like a simple step, but having a clear picture of what you owe and to whom is crucial for this method to work effectively. Next, make minimum payments on all your debts except the one with the highest interest rate. For that debt, you'll want to put as much extra money as you can toward it. The idea is to throw every extra dollar you can find at this high-interest debt while keeping the others at bay with minimum payments. Then, once the debt with the highest interest rate is paid off, take the money you were using to pay that debt and apply it to the debt with the next highest interest rate. This creates a cascade effect, where the amount of money you can put toward each subsequent debt grows larger and larger as each one is paid off. Hence the name Avalanche. For example, let's say you have 3 debts: credit card debt with a 20% interest rate, a personal loan with a 15% interest rate, and student loans with a 5% interest rate. You'd focus on paying off the credit card debt first because it has the highest interest rate. Pay the minimum on the personal loan and student loans while putting any extra cash toward the credit card. Once the credit card is paid off, move on to the personal loan, and then finally tackle the student loans. You might wonder, why focus on interest rates? Simply put, high-interest debt costs you more money over time. By eliminating these first, you reduce the total amount you'll pay in interest, freeing up more money to pay off your other debts faster. A key benefit of the Debt Avalanche Method is that it can save you a significant amount of money in interest payments compared to other methods. While it might not provide the quick psychological wins of paying off smaller debts first, it's a highly efficient and effective approach for those who can stay disciplined and focused on the numbers. However, one potential challenge is staying motivated, especially if your highest interest debt has a large balance that takes a long time to pay off. This is where tracking your progress becomes crucial. Keep an eye on how much interest you're saving and how your total debt balance is decreasing over time. Celebrate these milestones. They're a testament to your hard work and dedication. Now, let's talk about a common question. What if you encounter an unexpected expense or income change during this process? Flexibility is key. If your financial situation changes, adjust your plan accordingly. The most important thing is to keep making progress, even if it's slower than you initially planned. In addition to that, automating your payments can help you stay on track. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amounts to avoid late fees and to ensure you're consistently chipping away at your debts. If you can automate extra payments toward your highest interest debt, even better. Another thing to consider is finding ways to increase your income or reduce your expenses. Every extra dollar you can put toward your debt will accelerate your progress. This might mean taking on a side hustle, selling in used items, or cutting back on non-essential spending. Also, keep in mind that the Debt Avalanche Method isn't the only approach. Some people find the quick wins of the Debt Snowball Method more motivating, and that's perfectly fine. The best debt repayment strategy is the one you can stick with, so choose the method that works best for your financial situation and personality. Nevertheless, the Debt Avalanche Method is an effective way to tackle high-interest debt first, saving you money and time in the long run. It requires discipline and a clear understanding of your debts, but the financial benefits can be substantial. Remember, every step you take toward paying off your debt is a step toward financial freedom. And if you have any questions or want to share your own debt repayment journey, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you all, and it's great to support each other on this path to financial wellness. See you next time.